Hello, I'm Queenie Zandt. I'm taking the workshop today for Audition Bootcamp for teens. I've got to explain that if anyone has been to a workshop as a young person, this one is a completely different workshop, really aimed at people who are, you know, a lot older. It's very much about thinking things through to a very precise level, and it's really what makes amazing music theatre performance. That's the thing.
Today has been excellent, really not what I expected. I've realised how many bad decisions I've made in auditions.
So, tell me about this song.
I think I've learnt a lot about making a new character today.
The background to a character.
And how the character develops throughout the song.
You have to think about the character who's singing it, what their thoughts are.
I've always thought about inner dialogue, but I've never really thought about how the thoughts impact feelings and then that impacts actions.
So let's have a look at our, is this a great song let's look through our template. What is it? It's something you relate to, feel an affinity for, is it? I could flirt with all the guys.
Queenie is really experienced, she knows her stuff.
It's for him, pick a point where he is. I wasn't sure, even though you were singing out here, your eye line was going quite all over the place. It's your height. Imagine you were singing this directly to him.
She has so much information to give us, and she provided it in a really fun way.
I love how you almost broke it at the end, and then you left it. I saw it in the cup where you go, done or no.
I look up to her a lot.
Queenie is a really good teacher and she really knows a lot about the business.
I should really resist the temptation to check to see if it's going okay. So there's quite a number of times where your eyes flipped to me to see what I was thinking. Yeah, did you feel that? Or was that unconscious? I think it was completely unconscious. It usually is. So it's quite common because you want to know how you're going, right, that it's going okay. But of course what happens is I feel like I'm the performer then because you're looking at me to do something.
I come in at 8:11 and he smiles and says, how are you? When he smiles and says, how are you? I could swear my heart crawls wings, so detained.
Queenie's amazing, she's so supportive and she gives such great advice.
The reason I'm giving you that space is that when you do audition, that's actually what they do. When you're talking to parents, you go over, you give your sheet music to them, you tell them how it goes, you have a little quick practice with them, and they're going to say, I'll give you a nod when I'm ready. As I walk to the centre of the room, I'm thinking my previous moment, I'm thinking my thoughts, I'm starting to let the feelings come to me as I'm standing there, and then I'll just nod my head like that, so that I'm actually in the song right from the beginning.
And thank you for the extra phone. And he said,
We learnt all different core stages of music theatre and really prepared for what you should have in your repertoire for music theatre.
You need to pick a song that fits you, but then also complements your strengths and hides your weaknesses.
Even now I feel a whole lot more confident in auditioning. I've got so much.
Yeah, I've made some friends. Everyone here is very like-minded.
An Australian Musical Theatre Academy workshop is just so great. It's so helpful. This is my first one and I'll be coming back to many more.